Yo, what's going on, guys? It's Luciano, and today we're going to be cooking up some Denver steak. This has got to be probably one of my favorite cuts of beef. It comes from the chuck. It's honestly probably in my top three. It definitely outranks the ribeye for me. It's just super tender, juicy. I mean, I don't know if you guys can see the marbling on that, but it is a gorgeous piece of meat. So this is actually going to be my first YouTube video filming myself cooking any type of meat. As some of you guys know, I've been making shorter form content on Instagram. I've been doing some here on YouTube, and I've been filming a ton of that, but this is going to be my first full-length video. It's going to be fairly quick. I just want to show you guys how I cook this. Since this has a fairly good amount of fat content in it, we're just going to throw it into the pellet smoker at 450. We're going to do it hot and fast. It'd be the same way that I'd be doing it over the fire too. I'd be making this hot and fast, so if you wanted to do it over the fire, you could, but we're just going to make it easy. We're going to have these for dinner for me and the family, throw them in a smoker for 450, probably do each side for about 4 minutes or so. We're gonna cook these up to about 135 internal. It's gonna put us about medium. It should be perfect for this style of cut. And you want these to be anywhere from rare to medium, nothing more. It's gonna be disgusting, trust me. If you like it anything more than that, kudos to you. But we're going to be seasoning these with today. It's going to be our fire sauce. We're going to use this actually as a binder. I love the taste that this has in it. If you guys haven't tried it, check them out. I'm not sponsored by them or partnered with them by any way. And then we're just doing some Fire Society rub on top of it. You can also season this with just salt, pepper, garlic if you want to. You can do salt and pepper. These are just the two combinations that I like to go with. So let's get these seasoned. Like I mentioned earlier, the Denver has a beautiful, beautiful marbling. These are prime ribeye, so they're just going to be super tender and juicy once we're done cooking with them. Like I said, we're going to throw that fire sauce right on top just as a rub. Get these lathered up. I know I'm not using gloves. These are literally just going to be for my family. I ain't catering these. I ain't giving these to nobody else. My hands are clean. So yeah, before I get roasted in the comments, that's why I'm not using gloves. Let's see, get both of these sides all sauced up. Beef. These are going to be so good. I can already taste them and they're not even cooked. I've had these several times already, and let me tell you what, it tops the ribeye for me 100%. These are just amazing. So this is the rub that we're going to be using. It's Fire and Society's. I know it says brisket and burgers, but this is honestly my go-to steak seasoning if I'm not going salt and pepper. All right, so we're going to lay it down on these. Don't go easy on these. These are nice pieces of meat. They can take it. If you want to go light on the rub, because I know for some reason that's your preference, go ahead. We're just gonna tap that in there, get both sides. Gonna make a mess, that way the wife gets mad at me later. You already know. And that should do it for these pieces of meat. Like I said, we're gonna throw these in the pellet smoker at 450, do each side for about 4 minutes, and then we should be good to rock and roll and taste these. All right, so we're at temp. We're gonna throw these in here. Like I said, about 4 minutes each side. These things should go pretty quick. I'll see you guys back in a little bit. All right, so we got it out already. Look at this thing, it's nice and juicy. We're gonna cut into it. Total cook time was about like 10 minutes. It's gonna be bomb. I can't wait to show you guys. Let's cut into it. All right, let's do this. I mean, that thing looks beautiful. Let's do a little taste test. I'm gonna cut myself a little piece. I'm gonna run this one without the fire sauce, and then I'll run another one with it, just to show you guys my reaction. But look at this beauty. Guys, look at that. That is just simply unmatched. Like, that is the best cut of steak that you can have. Now with a little fire sauce, just a little taste test in there for you. Gosh, that is amazing, guys. I'm telling you guys, this cut of steak is just on a whole different level. You guys need to go find a local butcher that will cut you this this Denver steak. It literally comes straight off the chuck, so it doesn't take too much to get them to get you guys one of these. But I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you guys did, make sure you guys like, comment down below what you guys want to see next. Let me know what you guys thought of the video. Make sure you guys subscribe and turn on that notification bell. I'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace out, guys.